Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself Sana Manzoor, your social teacher. I'm here with your third and fourth chapter, the equatorial region and the tropical monsoon region. Now there are many other regions, but to begin with, the equatorial region is the area that lies on either side of the equator. Amazon basin of Brazil in South America, the Zaire-Congo basin in Africa, and the Indonesian islands of Asia. These are the areas that experience equatorial climate. The equatorial region receives the direct rays of the sun. The land becomes very hot, the rate of evaporation from the water bodies is high, and the atmospheric humidity increases. This means that there is a lot of moisture in the air. The hot moisture-laden air rises, cools, and by 4 o'clock every day there is precipitation. That means it rains. This type of rainfall is called convectional rainfall. The trees are usually found in 3 layers. Beneath the tall trees are smaller trees, and a third layer is formed by ferns and herbs. Ferns means plants with no flowers and lot of long thin leaves. There are lianas, creepers, and climbers twisted around the trees. Most animals are arboreal, that is living on trees, such as monkeys, apes, and sloths. Jaguar, mosaic frog, anaconda, and birds like macaw and toucan are found here. Piranha is a violent fish found in South American rivers in the equatorial region. Rubber, cocoa, coconut, and other crops are being grown in this region. The equatorial region. Region. What do you understand by the word region? Region is nothing else but an area of land, okay? Now, when I say the equatorial region, where will this area of land come? Near the equator. Yes, this is the equator. Equator passes through the center of the earth, okay? Now the region, which is the equatorial region, it lies between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south of the equator, okay? Now, how will this region be? Will it be hot or will it be cold? Yes, it will be very hot. Why? Because the sun's rays directly hits the equator. So, it is very hot. Now, when it is very hot, what happens? The evaporation level is high, so they have heavy rainfall. They have no much change in season. They don't have winter here, okay? They only have summer, very hot, humid summer. And because of the rainfall and the heat, they have evergreen forest, okay? Now, so this was about our equatorial region. Now, let's come to the next region, which is tropical monsoon region. Now, the name suggests tropic. Now, tropic monsoon region. Tropical means it is this Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It lies from 10 degrees south to 23.5 degrees south as well as 23.5 degrees north. The tropical monsoon region lies within the tropics. The countries that fall in this region are India, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, South China, and North Australia. In summer, winds from the sea blow towards the land. These are seasonal monsoon winds that bring rain. Natural vegetation depends upon the amount of rainfall a place gets. The trees in monsoon lands are normally deciduous. They shed their leaves for a few weeks in the dry period of early summer to withstand drought. Trees such as teak, neem, and sandal grow in these forests. Myanmar grows a lot of teak that is used for shipbuilding, furniture making, and construction work. Lions, tigers, rhinos, and several species of deers are found in this region. Fertile river valleys and plains are found here which are suitable for farming. Earlier, agriculture used to be completely dependent on monsoons, but since the monsoons are sometimes irregular, other methods of irrigation are now being used. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, coffee, tea, and other crops are being grown. Okay. Now, this tropical monsoon region is influenced by seasonal monsoon winds. Okay. Now, where does our India come? It comes under tropical monsoon region. So how is the climate here? We have rainfall, we have hot summers and winter season as well, right? So they have seasonal rainfalls here. Now these regions in tropical monsoon region, they are densely populated. Means many people prefer to stay here, okay, because of the climate. It's very pleasant, right? So I conclude my session. We have learned today about the equatorial region and the tropical monsoon region. Please read your textbooks thoroughly. Till then, Jazakumullahu khairan.